This is Pat, and we're here out at this house I've been building for the last year and a half. We're getting close to the end. We're getting the water hooked up and the septic, and we're wrapping up everything inside. So hopefully we're going to have occupancy in the next couple of weeks and we can get them into their house. They just got done painting the exterior, and I'm just walking it just to see how everything's looking. So we'll get you some updates on this. Thanks for being with us. We're out here at the house. We're finishing up. I was checking on the painting. This is the garage doors, and the owner of the home purchased them with all the windows and the exterior doors, and they're beautiful. They work great. They're all from China, so he got them all before the tariffs last year. But one of the biggest problems I've come across is nobody wants to install the doors because they're from China and they're not standard equipment, and everybody's afraid they're going to be asked to come back and warranty them later, and they don't want to be involved in that. If they have to track parts down later, they're really not interested. They want to use standard companies in America. This is something that, it is what it is. The owner bought them. We're getting them installed. But this is something, just a little tip going forward for people. If you buy things like this that are non-standard doors or anything like that, getting the proper installation can be a challenge. So just a little FYI when you're out there shopping for these kinds of things. People in the industry like to work with standards. When you deviate from that, their costs, they don't know how to price for it, and they don't want to guarantee anything for that. So that's just a little FYI when you're out buying stuff. Great quality, but if I can't get it warranted and installed, it really becomes a burden for me. Thank you. Update as the sun goes down. I just wanted to stop by. They've been painting this house, and that's the back of it. It's pretty ominous without all the lights. All the lights will be up and turned on. So that's a pretty impressive back of that house. That's a beautiful deck that the homeowner designed, and we're getting ready to put the mosquito netting and the railing around the upper part, and so he will be able to enjoy these extremely hot, humid days coming up soon. So thank you for coming in and checking it out with me tonight.